Hello everybody, today I'm going to introduce a very good product to you, and it's a spin facial brush. Oh yeah, as you can see, when I press this button, its bristles can be rotating at a very different angles, which can clean your face at a different angle and can clean very deeply. So when I use it to touch my skin, it feels like very smooth, soft, and comfortable. Just like the hairs of your cat, for example, a dog. So very amazing experience. I like it very much. Also, when you buy this product, I will give you a free giveaway. So it's very cost effective. And that's all for today's introduction.